Lake Bourne, Mississippi
Oh my
Sound
goodness.
until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located.
Work!
The severe thunderstorm was merely stationary. Hazard: waterspouts. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels and oil rigs, and create suddenly high waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Here is the forecast for the following county.